Let me ask you something. Did you know each of your feet has 26 bones? That's right, 26 bones packed into a space not much bigger than your hand. It's kind of wild when you think about it, isn't it? Most people never stop to consider just how complex their feet really are. And that's just the bones. Add in 33 joints and more than 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments, and you've got one of the most intricate structures in your entire body. Every single part works together in perfect harmony, allowing you to stand, walk, run, jump, and balance. Your foot is way more than just a foot. It's a mechanical masterpiece, engineered to carry your entire body weight, step after step. Think about it. Every time you take a step, your foot absorbs the impact, adapts to uneven ground, and propels you forward. It's like having a built-in shock absorber and spring, all in one. Think about it. Every time you walk, your foot shifts, flexes, and balances, absorbing shock and keeping you steady. It's constantly making micro-adjustments, even when you're just standing still. Your feet are always working behind the scenes, making sure you don't tip over or lose your balance. But here's the catch. If even one of those bones is slightly off, just a tiny misalignment, things can start to fall apart. Literally. Even a small shift can throw off the entire system, leading to pain, discomfort, and even injury. It's like a tiny pebble in your shoe that eventually causes a blister, except this time it's inside your body. Now imagine you have a weak arch, an old injury, or you're squeezing into shoes that don't fit right. Maybe you've rolled your ankle in the past, or you spend all day on your feet at work. Even something as simple as wearing high heels or flip-flops too often can mess with your foot's natural alignment. What happens? Your ankles shift, your knees start to compensate, and your hips and spine twist to adjust. Your body is always trying to keep you upright, so when your foundation is off, everything above it has to work harder to keep you balanced. Over time, this can lead to a chain reaction of problems. It's like a domino effect, but inside your body. That one little shift in your foot? It can mean big problems up the chain, chronic knee pain, a sore back, even neck tension, all starting from the bottom. You might not even realize your foot is the culprit, but the pain can travel upward, affecting your entire posture and movement. This is why doctors and physiotherapists never ignore your feet. They know that what happens down there can have a huge impact on the rest of your body. In fact, many chronic pain issues are traced back to problems with foot alignment or function. They know that posture problems often start way down there, with foot alignment and arch support. If your feet aren't providing a stable base, your whole posture can collapse like a house of cards. That's why they pay so much attention to your gait, your arches, and even the shoes you wear. That's why checking your gait, how you walk, and making sure you're using proper insoles or posture correction can make a world of difference. Fix your foundation, and the rest of the system stabilizes. Sometimes, a simple change like adding arch support or switching to better shoes can relieve pain you've had for years. So next time you're dealing with aches and pains, don't forget about your feet. They might seem small, but they play a huge role in your overall health. Taking care of your feet can help prevent problems before they start, and can even help you move and feel better every day. They're not just a base, they're biomechanical powerhouses, and when they're off balance, your whole body pays the price. So give your feet the attention they deserve. Stretch them, strengthen them, and make sure they're supported. Your knees, hips, and back will thank you. Hey, did this make you look at your feet a little differently? Maybe you're even wiggling your toes right now, or checking your arch. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on your life. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. Have you ever had back or knee pain that started with your feet? Or maybe you've discovered a foot care tip that changed your life? I'd love to hear your story. Remember, healthy feet are the foundation for a healthy body.